Hello students, this is the next part of hospital pharmacy and its organization, that is layout and location of hospital pharmacy. Upon completion of the topic, the student shall be able to understand importance and layout of hospital pharmacy, know objectives of layout design, and appreciate location of hospital pharmacy for inpatients and outpatients. First point, that is importance and layout of hospital pharmacy. Layout means an arrangement or a plan, especially the schematic arrangement of parts or areas. Layout plays significant role in the development of the customer's perception, which have a positive impact on its sale potential. Objectives of layout design. First is to attract a large number of customers, to increase the sale and decrease the selling expenses, to have space for reserve stock, office, resting place for the employees, then proper entrance for goods, and to minimize the movement of customers within the premises of the drugstore. Now this is one layout of hospital pharmacy, that is aseptic area section, manufacturing section. Besides the manufacturing section, there are different compartments for raw materials, then store compartments for medicines and finished products, then passage, then one administrative section, dispensing section, and open space for outpatients. Now location of hospital pharmacy. Hospital pharmacy located in hospital premises so that patients and staff can easily approach it. In multi-storied building of a hospital, the pharmacy should be preferably located on ground floor, especially the dispensing unit. It should be laid in such a way that there is a continuous flow of men and materials. It should be located away from public area. Hospital pharmacy department should be situated in some central area, preferably ground or first floor, which is well connected to elevators and is accessible easily to other departments of hospital. If manufacturing unit is present, it should be directly connected to the hospital pharmacy department. Then separate channels are used usually to supply medicines to inpatients and outpatients. Doctors prescribe and nurses dispense medicines to inpatients, and to outpatients, pharmacies should be provided which are located near outpatients departments. Now inpatients are those require hospitalization, that is get themselves admitted in hospital and stay there for treatment. In inpatient drug distribution system, hospital pharmacies carry out a number of unique activities such as unit dose drug distribution system, repackaging, fluor stock, and an IV admixture or TPN service, means intravenous admixture or total parenteral nutrition service. Also, a unit dose drug distribution system saves money and reduces the chance of medication errors. Hospital pharmacy inpatient drug distribution systems, there are some terms. Inpatient drug distribution system means a pharmacy system to deliver all types of drugs to patients in a hospital setting, including unit dose, IV admixture, and TPN services. Unit dose means a dose of a drug repackaged for a single administration to a particular patient at a particular time. Unit dose cart means a movable cart that contains removable cassette drawers that house the medications for all patients on a nursing unit. Another hospital pharmacy inpatient drug distribution system, that is robotic dispensing system. Robots picks, counts, packages, labels, stores and dispenses medication using barcode technology. Medication dispensing process in that robots select the medication by robotic arm, transferred to a collection area, then put into an envelope labeled with the patient's name, drug name, dose, administration time, and barcode. Then it is checked by technician by using barcode scanner, then added to the unit dose cart by technician and again checked by nurse prior to administration, that is again by using the barcode scanner. Now outpatients. Outpatients refers to a patient not occupying beds in a hospital. Layout for outpatient should give pleasant appearance and must have enough space for seating of patients who have to wait for medicines. This place can be used to educate the waiting patients and relatives about medications. For example, various charts and models can be displayed showing vaccination programs, importance of family planning, importance of blood and eye donations, how to administer various medicaments, and preventive measures for various important infections diseases, for example AIDS. Now this is one typical layout of outpatient department. First is office section, then the racks of storing drugs, refrigeration, dispensary, windows for dispensary and seating arrangement for patients. Outpatient activity chart, in that the process is like this: prescription written by doctor, then that prescription received by pharmacist, filling of prescription means selection of medicines, labeling and pricing, then that medication dispensed to patient, then receipt of payment is done, it may be free, cash or charge, then prescription is filed into regular prescription file or narcotic prescription file. Now manufacturing unit means in the hospital pharmacy, if manufacturing unit is available, then it is advisable to manufacture own drugs in bulk, that is sterile or non-sterile, by manufacturing units in hospital itself. Naturally, it is more economical, less time consuming and having better quality control. Sufficient area should be provided for these units and it should be very near to hospital pharmacy, preferably ground floor or basement of hospital pharmacy. Now there are some images of manufacturing unit. This is first image and this is second image for manufacturing unit. Okay, means all of you now understand the layout and location of hospital pharmacy. Thank you.